This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the two corresponding measurements you already have and confirm units. This is essential because mismatched units break the ratio. Write original value first and new value second, for example 8 and 12, so your fraction follows a consistent order. Once done, simplify units if needed and check for multiple pairs. You'll compare one pair at a time to verify consistency. This initial step prevents errors and sets up a clean division to find the scale factor. You now compute the scale factor by dividing the new measurement by the original measurement because the ratio tells you how much larger or smaller the object becomes. For clarity, simplify the fraction or convert it to a decimal like 1.5. This makes mental checks faster. Once you have that value, apply it to a second known pair to verify. If the result matches, your factor is correct. If it doesn't, recheck unit alignment and arithmetic to find the discrepancy. You finish by applying the factor. Multiply any original measurement by the scale factor to get the scaled size, because multiplication extends consistently across dimensions. If you need the original from a scaled item, divide instead. This is the inverse operation. Make sure to round appropriately only at the end to avoid cumulative error. If numbers don't line up, check your units, confirm you matched corresponding dimensions, and watch for rounding or transcription mistakes as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.